3, 2, 1. Talk to me.
Hey everyone, welcome back today. We're discussing a few essential online updates and safety tips that are crucial for you to know.
3, 2, 1. Talk to me.
First up, Instagram has added a new map feature. This allows people to discover accounts and locations by searching on a map and finding users nearby. That can be helpful for finding local creators or events, but it also means your profile might be more visible to people you don't know. Here's the tip. Check your account's privacy settings, ensure your location isn't being shared, and keep your profile private unless there's a genuine reason for it to be public. Next, we've been made aware of a pop-up on Roblox that's encouraging players to download an app called Polybuzz, or sometimes Polyfuzz. It looks like a harmless Q&A that creates an AI friend, but then it can start showing you disturbing or inappropriate content, including references to harming yourself or others or explicit material. The key takeaway is simple. Never download apps for in-game pop-ups, even if they appear friendly or intriguing. And if you ever see something worrying or upsetting, please talk to a trusted adult and report it. For more information about Roblox safety, check our episode 22 on our YouTube channel. We delve into the topic in much more greater depth. Finally, on platform X, formerly Twitter, there's a new feature that lets you see the origin of an account, including when it was created and how many times the username has been changed. This matters because accounts used for rumours or misleading information often switch names to hide their identity. This is a great tool for fact-checking, especially with major events or global news. If an account was created last week and has changed names 5 times, that's a red flag. Don't trust every post you see. Check the source. And so to wrap up, be mindful of Instagram's map visibility, don't click or download from pop-ups in games, and check account history on X before believing or sharing posts. Stay aware, stay smart, and stay safe. So until next week, have a great weekend and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.